Just revise one important topic. Light is there. Actually, what is meant by the light? Okay, there are the different sources of the light is there. Again, in the light there are the different mirror, different refraction surface, reflecting surface. Obviously, reflecting surface we went on that. This is called as a mirror. Refracting surface, that is the transparent medium is there. So before just we just revise these things. What is the actually what you mean by the light, and different types of the sources. Again, here let's first take our topic light. Before the starting the light, that the energy. Okay, what is the mean by the energy? Basically we will know that the energy, that is the energy, that is capacity to do the work. Simple name, that it is the capacity to do the work. Now here, the light, when we call it the light, so light is also form. Light is the form of energy. Look at here, one image for you. This is actually one light is there. This light is some form of energy. Means the energy. It means it's the energy in that. Again here, light, when we that is the light considered is there. So the in light, they're having the some different type of the source. According to the some those body which the emits the light. This is the called the way generally we called as this luminous body. Suppose some objects are there, this object does not emit the light. This body is called as non-luminous. Okay, these types are there. Let's see one by one. First, we want to see the what is meant by the luminous body and what is the non-luminous, what is the bioluminescent body. First thing here, the luminance of the body. So luminance of body means what? Those body that emits its own light. Those body emits its own light, which is called as the luminous body. Examples are there. Sun. Okay, sun is a good example. Natural source. This is the sun. Let's see here. This one is the sun luminous body is there because the sun is emits its own light. So these are the luminous body. Again here, non-luminous body means what? The body which do not emit light on that. Which do not emit its light. So this is called as a non-luminous. Let's see one more example here. Non-luminous body. This is the body which does not emit the light. Example, different examples are there. Planet. Planet it does not emit its own light. Okay. Satellite, natural satellites are there. Also, these natural satellite does not emit the light. These are again the non-luminous body. Okay. So bioluminescence means what? The organism light blow up and see and see the light. Bioluminescence body. Let's see. This is the genus bodies are there which emit the light. Okay, this organism are there. One light called as a bioluminescence. So these.
Sir, your voice is echoing.
Yes. Rama.
Your voice is echoing, sir.
Why?
Rudraksh, your voice also.
Don't speak background. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, so let's see here. So these are the types of the body. These are the sources of the body. Okay, and this one is the one bioluminescence. Okay, this is the bioluminescence is there. So this is actually low one. It emits the light itself. So these are the some types of that. Now let's see here. Once I will show it here. Let's see. This is the natural sources of the light. And is the sources of light. Let's see. This is the bulb. We well on that. And this is the luminance of the body because it emits its own light. So this is the called as the luminance of the body. Okay. CFL again fluorescent tube, electric bulb are there. So these are emits its own light. So this is called as the luminance of the body. This is the luminance of body. One more example for you. Now this is the sun. Let's see. This one is the sun is there. Yeah. So again here, that sun, this is the luminance of the body. Why? Because it emits its own light. Okay? It emits its own light. So this one is the luminous body. Sun is that. One more example. Let's see. Moon. Okay, this is the planet. This is the natural satellite. But before this is the natural satellite. Okay, and it is the natural satellite of our Earth. So again, the moon is the which types of the body is luminous or non-luminous? Tell me.
Non-luminous.
Non-luminous.
The non. Very good. This one is the non-luminous body because it does not emit its own light. Actually, in the night sky, okay, it's reflect the light because when the sunlight incident on the moon and this moon is emit the light. So this is actually reflection of light there. But actually, this moon does not emit its own light. This is the non-luminous body. Okay. One more here example, our Earth. Okay, Earth is there. So let's see, Earth is continuously rotating. Okay, again, this Earth is luminous or non-luminous body. Which type of body is there?
Non-luminous.
Non-luminous.
Non-luminous body. Why? Because this Earth does not emit its own light. So this is the non-luminous body. Here actually concept is what luminous is non-luminous. Luminous means those body which emit the light. Different examples, sun, star. Okay, these are the luminous body. Again, suppose man-made sources are there. That is the electric bulb, CFL, fluorescent tube. Okay, also candle. Okay, candle is there. Again, this is the luminous body and non-luminous body. So all the those body does not emit the light. So this is the non-luminous body. Planets, okay, planets are there, satellites are there. Earth is also our planet. Okay, Earth is so planet is there. So Earth is also non-luminous body. Okay. So these are the luminous and non-luminous body. So this one is the non-luminous body. Now come to the next point. Here another type, the sources of the light is the sources of the light. Okay. When an object or system of the object that gives out the light is called as the sources of light. What is the definition? An object or any system is there of object that gives out light is called as out of the light. This is called sources of light. And according to sources of light, there are the two types. Okay, there are the different types of the sources of light. Okay, first, there are the two types. First is the natural sources of the light, and second is the artificial sources of the light. Again, natural source of light means what? The sun, star, glowworms. Okay, these are the natural sources of the light. And artificial sources of light means what? Electric bulb, lamp. These are the artificial sources of light. Artificial sources of light means what? Man-made sources. Man-made sources are there. This is called the artificial source. Let's see here. This one. Okay. This image. The electric bulb, CFL is there. So this is the artificial sources of light. This is the man-made sources of the light. And one more example. Let's see. This is the sun. Okay. Sun is the natural sources of the light. Again, this is the luminous body, and this is the natural sources of the light. Is there. Okay. These are the two types of the sources of the light. One more example is there. So that is the medium. Means here your light actually emits from the source and light is traveling from one medium. Suppose here the sun is there and sun to earth, some space are there, light is traveling from sun to earth. In our room, suppose electric bulb is there, suppose the CFL bulb is there, and when CFL bulb is low, then it emits the light, and this light is traveling from CFL to us. So this is in between here, some medium is there. So that medium we called as the optical medium. So let's see what is meant by the optical medium. Okay. First, optical medium is what? When the light falls on a different medium, it's react differently. And anything through which light energy can partially or fully pass is called as an optical medium. Means light is passing through this medium partially or fully. So this is called
Sir,
as,
means transparent objects, na?
So correct. This is the transparent object. When the light is fully passed through this object, so this is the transparent. Partially means suppose
Translucent.
translucent is there, color is there. So actually these medium, actually types are there. These are the two types. First is homogeneous medium and another is the heterogeneous medium. Let's see first homogeneous medium. Okay. An optical medium which has a uniform composition. An optical medium which has a uniform composition. So this is called as a homogeneous medium. Uniform composition means what? Suppose one medium is there. This medium is made only one composition. Only one medium is there. Suppose, for example, glass. Okay, let's see here. I am already show here. Example, glass. Glass is there. So glass is an example of homogeneous medium because uniform medium is there. Uniform composition is there. So this is the homogeneous medium. And another type of the medium, which is the heterogeneous medium. Heterogeneous medium is what? An optical medium which has the different composition and the different point. Means different composition is that. So this is called as a heterogeneous medium. So heterogeneous medium example, air, impure water. Okay, these are the heterogeneous medium. Now let's see here. Let's see first these are the solar system is there, luminous for your equation, luminous and non-luminous body is there. Okay, this is the luminous body is there. Okay, this one is
Hello, sir.
luminous and this planet is the non-luminous body. Yes, speak.
Sir, what is the need of making the bike biluminous biluminous object?
What is the make
Is there is luminous, non-luminous, and what is the need of biluminous?
bioluminescence? Actually, it is the organisms is there. It emits own light. This is the bioluminescence body are there. Glow up, it emits its own light. This is the bioluminescence. Only luminescence body are there means those objects which emit the light like a sun, star, okay, electric bulb. So these are the actually luminescence body. And non-luminescence means those does not emit the light. Clear? And bioluminescence means organisms are there. These organisms emit the light. This is the bioluminescence.
सर
Yeah.
सर जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं जिनके अंदर से लाइट इमिट होती है वो लाइट कभी ना कभी खत्म तो होती है कि ना
Light actually is not be finished because energy. Actually, what is the law of energy? Energy.
light energy cannot be
created nor be
sir
destroyed.
means
It just passes from
हाँ.
one body to another.
What is the
sir but when that organism will die what will happen to that light
organisms is emits heat in the form of the heat. Light actually here the by organisms the emits the light in the form of the heat, and this heat will be considered as the light. Actually, sun also is emits the light in the form of the heat. Electric bulb is there. Again, one more example: candle. Candle also emits the light. Again, this is the luminescence body, but this is emits the light in the form of the heat. So these are the actually form of the heat, form of the energy, light energy. Okay, so these are the form of it. Just it transfers the energy one form to another form. He first generate the heat. One energy is there, means actually organisms having the store the energy in the form of the chemical. This chemical energy is there. Again, this chemical energy convert into the heat energy. Again, heat energy transferred into the light energy. Actually, this is the transformation of the energy. Clear? So,
yes sir
actually, organisms, again, our human body, when we consider our human body, again, we just store the energy in the form of chemicals. Chemical energy there. It's muscular energy is there. It's chemical energy converted into muscular energy. Now, I am just moving my hand. This is in the muscular energy is there. Okay. This energy again converted into the heat energy. Suppose I am rubbing this palm. This is the heat energy there. Means we transfer the energy. Muscular energy transfer into the heat energy is there. This is the transformation of the energy. Okay. Now here, actually, medium. You have to show the medium. This is well known that. Okay. curve is there. Okay. So here the medium actually. So this medium is which type of medium? Homogeneous or heterogeneous?
Heterogeneous, sir.
Heterogeneous medium. Okay. Suppose wooden surface is the heterogeneous medium. Again, when we consider the key curve, a curve is there. This is again heterogeneous. These impurities are there. Different compositions are there. Again, this is the coffee. Take a coffee again, the different composition are there. So again, this is the heterogeneous medium. If we want with the homogeneous medium, so homogeneous, this is the glass, pure water. Okay, this is the homogeneous. In heterogeneous medium, this is air is also heterogeneous medium because in air, different type of gases are there. Hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, oxygen, different compositions are there. So this is the heterogeneous medium. Air is a heterogeneous medium. In homogeneous, actually glass medium we can consider again pure water. So this is the homogeneous medium. One more example for you. Let's see one glass. Okay, this is the glass. Glass is again the actually this is the glass. The transparent medium is there. Okay, so we cannot see properly here. So this is actually glass. So again here the glass is the homogeneous medium. This one is the homogeneous medium. Again, in this glass milk is present. So again milk. Again we consider the heterogeneous medium. So these are the different types of the medium. Okay, homogeneous and heterogeneous medium. Now, come to the next one more type, that is transparent medium. Transparent medium again having the type opaque medium and translucent medium. First, let's see what is meant by the transparent medium. Transparent medium, a medium, let's see, a medium that allows light to pass through it is called as a transparent medium. Those medium which allows light to pass through it is called as a transparent medium. For example, like examples are there: air, glass, pure water. Let's see here, air is a transparent medium. Actually, it is a heterogeneous medium, but light easily travel in the air medium. So this is the air medium. So this is the transparent medium. One more type is the opaque medium. Opaque medium is what? Let's see here, that the medium through which light rays cannot pass at all. This is called as the opaque medium. Different opaque medium is there. Let's see example is there. This is the wooden medium is there. Okay. So wood is the opaque medium. Here, when we consider this wooden surface, so light cannot be travel through this medium. So this is the opaque medium. When we consider the first example, okay, this is the transparent glass is there. So glass is a transparent medium. Light easily travel through this medium. This is the transparent medium. Opaque, this is the opaque medium. Wooden surface, metal. Okay. Again, also human body. Human body is the opaque medium because light cannot be traveled towards. Yes.
सर ह्यूमन बॉडी ओपेक कैसे हो गई? ट्रांसलूसेंट होती है ना सर. इफ वी इन सर अगर हमारे हाथ पे अगर हमने टॉर्च लगाई तो यहाँ से रेड लाइट दिखती है ना?
No, sir.
Actually, now this energy travel when your energy is heat our any palm, suppose palm is heat our palm, then this transformation of energy. These
Sir, but
नहीं दिखती sir वैसी.
sir, but when X-ray rays are passed.
हाँ, yes sir.
Sir, X-ray.
X-ray is also light.
Rays travel through X-ray is not the light. X-ray is actually electromagnetic wave. X-ray
Yes
light.
sir. I also have that only doubt that X-ray also passes from our body.
X-ray is not light. X-ray is electromagnetic wave, and visible light is there. Visible light, white color. In white color, 7 color. We have already seen. Okay, 7 colors are there. These are the visible color. And when these visible color are combination each other, then this is the white light is there. So actually, we just see the light. White light is there. So white light is actually electromagnetic wave. Let's see the electromagnetic wave are different waves are there. Light wave, X-ray, gamma ray, ultraviolet ray, infrared ray. These all are the electromagnetic waves. that having the different wavelength. Wavelength important factor. In sound chapter, we have seen the what is the wavelength, what is meant by the frequency. Actually, here X-ray, again ultraviolet rays, okay, जो हमें sun से मिलती है, this is the ultraviolet rays is there. So these having the different wavelength, different frequency. Visible light means white light having the different wavelength, different frequency. Visible light means wavelength from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. This is the visible light. वही सिर्फ हम लाइट देख सकते हैं. अल्ट्रावायलेट एक्सरे, एक्सरे देखा है कभी आपने?
No.
आपने एक्सरे की फोटो देखी है, एक्सरे नहीं देखा आपने. दिस इज इनविजिबल लाइट. वो इनविजिबल लाइट इज देयर. एक्सरे इजीली पास, but visible light is does not pass through our body. Okay, so this is actually difference there. Okay, don't get confused. X-ray, ultraviolet, gamma rays, okay, radio waves also. Okay, mobile phone, the radio waves are there. So these having the different wavelength. So our body is the opaque medium. Visible light does not travel, does not transmit to our human body. So this is our opaque medium. Clear है? अगर लाइट हमसे ट्रांसमिट होती तो हम मिस्टर इंडिया नहीं बन जाते क्या, है ना? So this is opaque medium is there. So actually our human body is opaque medium, and translucent medium is what? That is a certain medium like okay, oil paper. Again, that this oil paper which
Butter
allows the
paper.
light to the
Butter
partially is there. Let's see one more example. Let's see here. This is the translucent medium. Okay, glass, color glass. This is a translucent medium.
Plastic.
The different types of the medium. There are the three types: transparent medium, opaque medium, and translucent medium. Clear? Any doubt here now?
Yes.
Yes. No, sir.
So
No, sir.
there are the different types of the medium: transparent, opaque medium, translucent medium. So now come to the next point. Okay, that is again the types of the sources of the light. Let's see here. There are the two types: point source of the light, and another is the extended source of light. Point source of light means what? The source of light that is of the size of pinhead. Again, it depends upon its size. Okay, let's see here. This is the point source, and the source is there. Okay, point sources is there. Okay, point source of the light means the size of a pinhead. So this is the point source of light. Again, examples are there. We consider the star. Okay, star is actually point sources of the light. Why the star is point sources of the light? Actually, our star is far away from Earth. Okay. So actually, size is the point. Again, suppose again another type of the point source, that is the extended source of the light. That source, okay, that source is light which is the bigger than the point source. Example, I don't see. Let's see. This is the example. This is the extended source of the light. Okay, this one is the extended source of the light. This different sizes of the point. Okay. Fluorescent tube is there. CFL is there. Okay, that is CFL. Again, this is the again extended source of the light. This is the not a point source. Okay, let's see here. This is the fluorescent. Okay, this one is the fluorescent. Okay, CFL is there. This is the CFL. Okay, and this CFL actually, this is the extended source of the light. A different shape. It is the point shape between it. So this is the extended source of the light. And point source means what? Then shape and size of the pinhead. Star actually far away from us. So this is the point sources of the light. अब example मतलब आप देख सकते हैं कि suppose एक object है, this is away from the us, and one object is nearer to the other. It is closer than us. When we compare these two objects, we cannot be find out actually original size of this object. Suppose one object is here closest to me, an object is far away from me. Okay, एक tree है बहुत दूर है, तो आप ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि this size of the tree is less than our palm. It is not possible because it depends upon its distance. Okay. Again, we compare the sun and the moon. Sun is far away from us and is nearer to the earth. When we compare the size of these two, moon and the sun, then both we just observe both are the equally shape and size. But actually, not this is not the correct because the sun is the largest, and but the distance of the sun is far away from the sun. So this will depend upon the distance. Let's see here. One again, this is the sun. We will know that moon. Earth, this is the solar system. Okay, in
I
this
have one doubt.
we consider here. Okay, the different shape of this the in solar system, different shape of this planet. Let's see here. This is the sun. Okay, sun is there. Biggest sun is there. Okay, size is good. And here let's see first object, second object, and the third Earth is there. Okay, moon तो यहाँ पे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. With very smallest size, smallest in size. So actually, बहुत actually this is depend upon the distance. Okay, sun and moon are the compare. Sun is the far away from us. Size of sun is the very less. Okay, बहुत कम दिखाई दे रहा है as compared to the moon. But moon is nearer to the earth's surface, so we can easily saw the moon is there. Okay, बहुत बड़ी size में दिखता है. So actually this will depend upon the distance. Star is also far away from us. So star is a point sources of the light. Okay, star is a point sources of the light. Okay, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो different. जैसे कि अभी 2-3 दिन पहले हमने देखा कि Jupiter and the Saturn is nearer to the close to us. Means वो बहुत नजदीक आ रहे हैं. हम दिखाई कैसे दिखता है? हमें point source भी दिखाई देता है. Actually है क्या वो नहीं है because size large is there. So this is the depend upon the distance. So here we consider the star, any stars in our names, our galaxy. So these are the point sources of the light. Okay? So these are the different sources of the light.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, how can we say that all stars, because stars are a point source of light?
Again, it depend upon the distance now. हम Earth पे है, तो actually star is away from us, far away from us. So हमें observe जब हम observe करते हैं, this actually star is the point. दिखाई कैसे दिखता है? Point में दिखाई देता है? ऐसे आपको shape दिखाई देता है उसका?
No, sir.
So this
Sir.
is the point source of light is there.
Sir, always stars are like suns, our sun.
Always stars like as a sun because star is a luminous body. It emits its own light. Sun is
And-
also star.
And so one more, sir, we can't see the galaxies. Means they're huge. So how can we take their exact image? They are round and
Satellite,
through the
satellite भेज के.
I already told you electromagnetic wave. Okay, suppose when we just take a photo with the help of the mobile, so some infrared are there, radio waves are there. These rays are just emitted from the source, incident on you, and again reflect back. And receiver takes this signal and then capture the photo. Actually, this procedure are satellite also having a camera. Meets the rays, electromagnetic waves. When these electromagnetic waves emitted from these satellites, they reflect on any object and again return back, and receivers take this signal, receive this signal, and capture the photo. Actually, these procedure are there, and we just take the photo of this galaxy, this planet, solar system, anything. Okay? Big technique is there. Okay.
okay. Yes.
Now one more type of the sources. One is the hot sources of the light, and second is the cold sources of the light. Hot sources of light means what? The sources light emits the light when they are very hot. So this is the hot sources.
Heated.
Of candle, burning candle. Sun. This is the hot sources of the light. They emit its own light, but in the form of the heat. When they are hot, then it is the light is there. So this is the hot sources of the light. And another type is the cold source of the light. Let's see cold sources of the light. That the certain other sources of light, light emit the light even when they are cool. So this is called as the cold sources of light. Example: glowworm. Okay. Glowworm. Let's see, this is the glowworm is there, and the glowworm emits the light. and this is not a hot source of light, it is cold sources of the light. So this is one is the cold sources of light. These are the two types. This one is the hot sources of light, and this one is the cold sources of the light.
Sir,
These are the two types. Yes.
sir, is a moon a cold source of light?
Yeah, moon is the cold sources of the light. Actually, the sun, when the emits the light and the incident is sun rays on the moon, then it reflects the light. So we appears actually moon is the emit the light. Okay, in night we appear that are emit the light. Actually, this is the cold source of light. Good question. And example, also moon is the cold source of the light. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
if there is comparison between sun and a candle, so sir, with respect to sun, the candle will be cold source of light.
Please speak loudly, better.
Sir, my doubt was,
Uh,
if we compare sun and candle together,
uh,
for hot source and cold source, sir, then with respect to sun, candle will be cold source or not?
Candle?
Candle will be cold source of light or not if we compare it with sun?
No, no, no. This is not it. Candle is also hot sources of the light. Candle also hot sources of light. Again, we compare any hot source of light. All are the hot sources of light. We cannot say the sun is the very hot as compared to the candle. Then candle becomes a cold source of light than the sun. No, it's not possible. Both are the hot sources of light. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are two examples. One hurricane lamp and electric bulb is there. So these are the actually sources of the light. Okay. So, student, any doubt from today's point?
No, sir.
Yes, you have seen the actually sources of the light, different sources of light, and different types of the medium. Medium have the different types: transparent medium, translucent medium, opaque medium is there. Again, here we have seen the that again homogeneous medium, heterogeneous medium is there. These are the different types of the medium. Again, we have seen the different types of the source. That is the natural source, artificial source. Artificial means man-made source is there. Okay, then hot sources of the light, cold sources of the light. Again, another different source. This is the okay, when we consider soul, luminous body, non-luminous, bioluminescence is there. Again, another sources we have seen here the. Okay. So the other we have seen here the different sources of the light, different medium. So out of here, any doubt from these sources or medium?
Sir, the paper is luminous, translucent, or opaque medium.
If light is partially transmit, then we consider paper is the translucent medium. Translucent medium is not a transparent medium. Transparent medium only air, glass medium, pure water. These are the transparent medium.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So time over here. Now I'm in this session.
Sir, homework.
Homework.
On your rule.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.